Welcome to No More at SS. Are you preparing for the OPS CSO exam? You are in the right place. Today, we bring you 30 must-know questions from general knowledge, science, and English, carefully selected to help you boost your score and stay ahead in your preparation. Topics covered: General awareness, Science, English language. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for daily exam updates. Day 16, 30 important questions or answers. 1. General awareness. 1. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer: B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Though, what is the currency of Japan? A. Yuan. B. Yen. C. Won. D. Peso. Answer: B. Yen. 3. Who wrote the book Wings of Fire? A. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. B. R.K. Narayan. C. Chetan Bhagat. D. Salman Rushdie. Answer: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. 4. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states in India? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Answer: C. 8. 5. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? A. Chennai. B. Hyderabad. C. Bengaluru. D. Mumbai. Answer: C. Bengaluru. Chair. Who was the first Governor General of India? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Curzon. C. Warren Hastings. D. Robert Clive. Answer: C. Warren Hastings. 7. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2024? Art. The capital of Australia is A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Perth. Answer: C. Canberra. No. Who is known as the father of Indian space program? A. Vikram Sarabhai. B. Satish Dhawan. C. Homi Bhabha. D. Rakesh Sharma. Answer: Vikram Sarabhai. Thus, the longest highway in India is A. B. C. D. Answer: 11. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort? A. Akbar. B. Babur. C. Shah Jahan. D. Aurangzeb. Answer: C. Shah Jahan. 12. The first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna is A. Mother Teresa. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Aruna Asaf Ali. Answer: B. Indira Gandhi. 13. Who was the first Indian woman to go to space? A. Kalpana Chawla. B. Sunita Williams. C. Rakesh Sharma. D. Indira Gandhi. Answer: Kalpana Chawla. 14. The famous Chipko movement was associated with A. Wildlife conservation. B. Afforestation. C. Water conservation. D. Forest protection. Answer: D. Forest protection. 15. Which is the highest peak in India? A. Mount Everest. B. Kanchenjunga. C. Nanda Devi. D. Dulagiri. Answer: B. Kanchenjunga. 16. In which year did India become a republic? A. 1947. B. 1950. C. 1952. D. 1965. Answer: B. 1950. 17. What is the name of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier? A. INS Vikramaditya. B. INS Vikrant. C. INS Arihant. D. INS Chakra. Answer: B. INS Vikrant. 18. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. D. Mercury. Answer: Mars. 19. The largest freshwater lake in India is A. Chilka Lake. B. Dal Lake. C. Vula Lake. D. Loktak Lake. Answer: C. Vula Lake. 20. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Dadabhai Naoroji. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Answer: B. Dadabhai Naoroji. Yojat Chin, Yojat Chin, Yojat Chin. Do. Science. 21. What is the atomic number of carbon? A. 4. B. 6. C. 8. D. 10. Answer B. 6. 22. The chemical formula of baking soda is A. NaCl, B. NaHCO3, C. D. CaCO3. Answer B. NaHCO3. These, the hardest natural substance on earth is A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Diamond, D. Quartz. Answer C. Diamond. 24. What is the for value of pure water? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Answer C. 7. 25. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? A. 3 guna 10, B. 3 guna 10, C. 3 guna 10, D. 3 guna 10. Answer C. 3 guna 10. Yojat chin, yojat chin, yojat chin. 3. English language. 26. Identify the synonym of happy. A. Sad, B. Joyful, C. Angry, D. Tired. Answer B. Joyful. 27. What is the plural of goose? A. Geese, B. Gooses, C. Gooses, D. Gosse. Answer A. Geese. 28. Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't go to school, B. She doesn't go to school, C. She not go to school, D. She isn't go to school. Answer B. She doesn't go to school. 29. Which word is a preposition? A. Quickly, B. Between, C. Run, D. Beautiful. Answer B. Between. 30. Find the correctly spelled word. A. Resheave, B. Receive, C. Dress up, D. Receive. Answer B. Receive.